So I got one of these mattresses, and I heard that they kind of pop open like a can of biscuits. So I'm looking forward to seeing if that's true and hoping it doesn't blow up my ring. But I'm gonna take the cardboard apart first. Okay. And you see it's all rolled up in there. Rolled up like a sheet of croissants. Okay. Now for the unfurling of the mattress. First, the unboxing. Okay. The box is off. And hopefully it's just going to unfurl right here onto the bed. Onto the frame. Thanks to my mom and my sister for this mattress. As a birthday present. I'm super excited to turn a year older tonight, sleeping on a new mattress. Okay, here we go. The moment we were all waiting for. Well, let's get it back over here. It's gonna go. Oh, it's getting bigger already, it looks like. Whoa. Okay. It already got a little bit bigger. But it looks like it's gonna inflate. Huh. It wasn't as explosive as I thought. And actually, it looks like it has some type of seal on it. Maybe this is the explosion part. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is the vacuum pack part. Wonder if it flips over. This bag is not a toy. It doesn't say whether... Whoa. I guess I can flip it over later if that's what it takes. It's kind of too big to get fully in the frame. Looks like we're flipping it over now. Okay. Gotta flip it before it fully inflates. Whoa. And it was inflating as we flipped it. And it's like here already. Pretty impressive. I should probably find out. It's a memory foam mattress. I don't know if that's a brand. I'll try to title the thing with the brand of it so you know if I can figure that out. But there it is. The inflating mattress. And I think it's supposed to continue to inflate further as the day goes on. So hopefully it'll be fully inflated in time to sleep on it tonight. And turn a year older for my birthday. Thanks for watching. Sorry it wasn't more explosive. But it's a pretty nice looking mattress. Thanks, Mom. Thanks, sister.